Hello friends, today me and Chad will be playing Obby. But you're a bird. Enjoy. Do y'all hear the ducks going quack?
Yes, Stacy, we can all hear. We aren't deaf, lol.
Okay bro, chill.
Awkward silence. While I hear, like and subscribe.
Okay Chad, I am right behind
I
you.
can see that. I am not blind like you, plus you're ugly.
Okay guys, enough of this nonsense, let's be for real.
Yeah, I agree.
If this video gets 50 likes, I will make Chad play the Barbie game.
I didn't even agree, but whatever. Nobody likes you, so it's gonna be impossible for you.
Prove him wrong, everyone, and like the video.
Good luck, child.
Quack time.
We made it.
Yes, wahoo.
The children are gooder than you, Chad.
I am aware.
Let's end it here, folks. Comment if you want more Bird Obby. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.